Bonjour,
Dear viewers, welcome to our French alphabet tutorial for beginners. In this video, we will guide you through the basics of the French alphabet, helping you to build a strong foundation for learning the language. So, let's dive right in. Have you ever wanted to pronounce French words correctly or write them down accurately? Well, understanding the French alphabet is the first step to mastering this beautiful language. Let's get started. The French alphabet is similar to the English one with a few unique letters and sounds. It consists of a total of 26 letters. Here are the letters of the French alphabet. Some letters will sound familiar, but others will have a distinct French pronunciation. Let's practice together. When I say a letter, repeat it aloud. A,
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 B,
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 C,
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 D,
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 E,
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 F,
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 G,
Z,
G,
Z,
H,
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 I,
E,
I,
E,
J,
Z,
J,
Z,
K,
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 L,
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 M,
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 N,
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 O,
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 P,
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 Q,
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 R,
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 S,
ESS,
S,
ESS,
T,
taille,
T,
taille,
U,
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 V,
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 W,
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 X,
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 Y,
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 Y, Z,
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 A, B, C, D, E, F, Z, H, E, Z, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, ESS, taille, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Congratulations! You have completed our French alphabet tutorial for beginners. We hope this video has provided you with a solid understanding of the French alphabet. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can join us for more exciting French lessons. Thank you for joining me today.
À bientôt.
Until our next lesson.